Well, Rory, this is the 7330. It's got the 741 self-leveling loader. Looks like your son-in-law got the tires muddy for us.
Yeah.
What else can you tell us about her?
We bought this thing basically brand new, 2010. Bought it here, never implemented yet. My dad wanted a newer loader tractor. He had a 4250 with a Westendorf, and I was looking for a small tractor at the time, and I said it was stupid to both of us get something. So we got this together, and it's done a little work. You can look and see I've got a big skid loader, so I hardly ever use the loader for anything. Had put the 8-foot snow blower on the back in the wintertime, and unloaded bins, ran augers with it, and that's pretty much about most of what it's done. Pulled the box blade, no real heavy work, batwing mower, stuff like that. It's always been in the shed, unless it's sitting out at the bin for loading out corn for a week or two at a time, but otherwise it shines pretty good yet.
So basically, for a loader tractor, it wasn't used like a loader tractor at all. It was basically offloading augers, pulling some smaller attachments.